Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be going over this cover art I did for Redefined. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so first of all, you're probably looking at this and like, what the fuck? I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know what I was doing, going through this, but we came out with something fire. I'm not gonna lie, I really fuck with this. But yeah, I'm gonna break this down for you guys, just so you guys can, learn something from it. Yeah, we're gonna go layer by layer. First of all, we got this little background. They got a little, like, I don't know, a little coffin here. This is just a gothic castle background, bro. These backgrounds be fire. Literally in the last video, or I'm not sure if you guys, I don't know when this is gonna be posted, but yeah, just got this background. Not really sure like where I got it from. I'll probably put it in a pack, in a free pack, along with the other one. If you guys do want that, make sure you guys do go ahead and join the Discord if you want to get like adjustment packs, all that shit. Make sure you guys go down below, go to the store, go to the sheet. Then I got this little galaxy background, so it's kind of like, so I'm gonna be honest, I work with the adjustments on, not all of them, of course, but I was working with at least the gradient map on, or it might have been that. Something like that. So next thing I did was I got Redefined here. I just put him here. It's just really convenient because like the picture was him sitting down and there was like a coffin. I thought it was convenient. I didn't even realize. I thought it was a boat. That's why I didn't really like put him underneath. I don't even know if this is like, water or some shit. I'm not really sure what's going on, I'm not gonna lie. But what I did was I did get a shadow here. So if you guys are wondering how I got these shadows, what I did was I got my brush tool. I went up to the brush. Obviously I brought the size down a bit, but also here I kind of squished it. So when you squish it, you kind of get this nice shadow look. You can also rotate it as well, so you get different like angles. But yeah, just really simple to do, like simple shadow work and shit like that. Next thing I did was I got a clipping mask, did a little like highlight here like so, and then I got another one. This is more for the, it's like the same color as the lake and shit like that. Put that soft light, kept that 100. Then I got the same color, kind of like for like a misty kind of vibe. Have their linear dodge, bring to 13. Then I just got this little kind of shadow here, I guess. More shadow, and then even more shadows. Then I just merged all that together. Also this shadow back here I forgot about. But yeah, I just merged all that together. Let me see what I did here. I'm pretty sure I just flipped it upside down, right? Yeah, so I just flipped upside down, did a little layer mask, or put the linear dodge first, definitely, or lighter color, and then I used the layer mask just to kind of just section it off, I guess. Have the main bits, the main point of it. Merge all that, then I flip it vertical, the whole thing. I flipped this vertical, so it's like rotate 90 degrees. And then whatever it is, so pin light, and then I kind of rotate even more, put the pin light again, just have like that. This is really just like kind of just messing with this shit. Like, it's really not that hard. Obviously it's easier said than done. You really have to kind of understand how to use the program. If you guys are trying to, I might do something where I kind of go more in depth with the program and how to actually create this shit, because I know a lot of people struggle with it, but I'm pretty sure if you guys go back and watch my videos, you guys will definitely succeed. All right, so we got the gradient map, overlay 83 fill. Now this is obviously dependent on the image. So the reason I do this, if you guys don't know, if you guys are new, the reason I do this is just to make it darker, because you see it's not really dark. Just put that on, it makes it dark. Do a little curve here, mainly just to bring the lights out. Vibrance, bring the vibrance down 60, negative 60. Gradient map, just black, blue, and white, and then put that to color dodge. You can mess around with this, obviously. You can do hue, you can do saturation, color, you can do all of these, they work just fine. Just in the moment, I did color dodge, just because of my eyes. I look and I see and I do. Brightness, barely bring the brightness up, bring the contrast up a lot, because yeah, no, Then the black market copy scanner, bro. This is my favorite texture of all time, bro. The number 9 is something really special, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, make sure you guys do go ahead, cop that. Then you got the hue and saturation. So yeah, this barely does shit, I'm not gonna lie. But you know, it's there. If it wasn't there, you know, I have all of these colors, you know, just to flick through easily. I was fucking with the purple. I'm pretty sure I went with that at first, but you know, I kind of changed it back to blue. Exposure, bring the exposure up a little bit, just to bring the lights out once again. Then the offset, bring that 79. This is like a lucky number, I feel like, bro. It's just subconscious, bro. 79, yeah, boom. Then gamma correction, you're kind of just correcting it just till it looks right. Now that's basically it. You know, you have the parental advisor here as well, screen. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Also, if you guys do want to go ahead, cop that pack. If you guys do want to go ahead and check out my website, make sure you guys, you know, do that down in the description. I have hella shit on there to help new designers. You know, if you guys are just, you know, getting started and shit like that,